Search best AI prompts and you will find hundreds of lists, thousands of prompts. They all promise the same thing. Use this exact wording and AI will give you magical output. Here's the honest truth about those lists. They will not change your life. Not one of them. A prompt is an instruction. It tells AI what to do right now in this moment. But the AI has no memory of what you did yesterday. It has no idea what your goals are. It doesn't know who your key people are or what decisions you're wrestling with. So even the perfect prompt gives you a generic output because it is operating in vacuum. Think of it this way. Prompts without a system are ingredients without a kitchen. You can have the best recipe in the world, you can have fresh ingredients, but without the tools, the workspace, the organized pantry to execute it, you're just reading a list. And I know this feels counterintuitive. The internet is full of people telling you that the prompt is everything. If you just word it right, AI will give you exactly what you need. That works for one-off tasks where you do not need personalization. Writing a generic email, summarizing an article someone else wrote, fine. Prompts handle that. But the moment you need AI to help with your specific work, your specific situation and your specific goals, the prompt is the last important variable. The thing is, the context behind the prompt is everything. And here's the part nobody talks about. AI multiplies whatever you feed it. This is the single most important concept in this video and almost nobody understands it. If you feed AI chaos, scattered thoughts and disconnected questions, you get polished chaos back. It will sound professional, it will be grammatically perfect, and it will be completely useless for your actual situation. If you feed it structured data about your goals, your projects, your relationships and your decisions, you get intelligence back. Real intelligence. The kind that makes you stop what you're doing and think, I did not see that connection. AI is an amplifier. It does not create order from nothing. It amplifies the order or the disorder you already have. Look at this. Same AI, same model. I gave it a vague question with no context. The output sounds great. It is well written. It is completely generic. I could have found this on any productivity blog. I gave it the same question, but with my goals, my current projects and my recent decisions loaded in. The output is specific, actionable and relevant to my actual week. That is the amplifier at work. So if prompts are not the answer, what is it? You know, just getting better at prompting misses the point entirely. The real skill is building the system that makes every prompt powerful. When your AI already knows your context, you do not need fancy prompt engineering. A simple question like, what should I focus on today, produces a generally useful answer because the system has the information to make it personal, the context. That context layer includes things like your goals and what you're working toward this quarter, your key relationships and recent interactions, decisions you made recently and why, projects that are active and where they stand. When all of that exists in a structured format that AI can access, every single prompt you write becomes automatically better. You do not have to engineer the prompt. The context does the work. This is also why thinking tool-agnostically matters. Today you might use an AI platform. Tomorrow it might be something different. The AI space moves fast and any system built around a specific tool's prompt syntax will be outdated within months, if not even days. But a system built around a structured personal knowledge that transfers to any AI platform. You take your context with you. The principles do not expire. Tools change. Systems last. So here's what actually works. Instead of saving another prompt list, invest that time in 3 things. First, capture. Start recording the information that matters. Your decisions, your interactions, your goals, your ideas. Not in random places, in one consistent system. Second, structure. Organize that information so AI can actually use it, not just a pile of notes. Structured data with types, dates and connections. Third, feed it forward. Make sure your AI has access to that context every time you start a session. That is what turns a generic chatbot into something that actually knows your world. Prompt lists will not change your life because prompts operate in a vacuum. AI is an amplifier. Feed it chaos, get polished chaos. Feed it structure, get real intelligence. The real skill is building the context layer, not perfecting the prompt. The next video covers the system behind the prompts. If you want to really dive deep, including the actual build of your personal AI operating system, the myICOR Pro course inside myICOR will give you all the answers you're seeking for. Link in the description. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and I catch you up in the next one.